Hello. Today we are gonna be talking about how to create new contacts, how to view the existing contacts, and how to upload contacts, import contacts as bulk inside the CRM system. Now, as you can see, we are in the contact tab, and under here we can see all our existing contacts in our account. As you can see with their name, their phone number, email, and creation date of each contact. You can also see the last activity of each contact as well. In order to import contacts in bulk, we can click on import contacts, as you can see right now. After clicking it, we're going to be choosing what kind of importing that we're going to be doing. Are we going to be doing contacts or opportunities? But for this example, we're going to be going to contacts. Then we'll be clicking on next. After that, we're going to be doing our file uploading, right? So as long as the file is CSV file, we can upload unlimited bulk contacts. Okay. We also have three options to choose from. We can either create contacts from scratch, we can create and update contacts, or we can do update and contacts. We mostly do, if it is your first time doing this, we mostly do create contacts at first, right? After the uploading of the CSV file, then it's gonna go to mapping. Let's do an example as well. Let's click a example file. This is my CSV file, right? So I uploaded it. We're gonna click on next. And our third step is mapping. So as long as you did the mapping correctly, it will show up like this, as you can see in the screen right now, with their first name, their status, object, and the fields. So the inside of this file was only three columns: first name, last name, and phone, right? So the system mapped all three columns, and as you can see, the status, they all mapped, and they can see the fields name as well. All right. So once it's all done and everything is correct, we'll be going next, and that will be our last step, which is verify. I'm not gonna do this right now because if I do, I'm gonna be uploading all the contacts that are already in the system. But for the demo purposes, you're gonna be clicking on next, and after that, you're gonna be clicking on verify again on the fourth step, and after that, all your contacts will be uploaded to the system. All right, now let's cancel this out. And let's go back to our dashboard of the contacts again. And if you click on a specific, for example, contact, right? So let's click on this one. After you click in, you're going to be seeing this page. So in here, you'll see on the left side is the name of the contact, their email, their phone number. You can see all the information such as the contact type. You can choose if it is a lead or a customer, right? You can also put like general infos as well there, such as their business name, their business address, additional info as like, you can put those, there's all optional. Okay. And you can also put them text as well. So for text side, if you want to categorize the contacts to ease of view, ease of access, so you can categorize them as well. You have that option. In the middle, you can see all the conversation history for the specific contact. Okay, so as you can see, we have several history with the specific contact, and I can see the whole history of it, all the messages, all the emails, and so forth. Okay, and I can type SMS directly from SMS, or I can use WhatsApp or email, or I can even do live chat as well. On the right side, I can see all my history with this contact. So you can think about this as audit log. Okay, so you can see pretty much everything that's going on for this specific contact, such as all the tasks. If there was any appointments, it will show up in here. You can put all your documents if there was any. You can see all the payments this contact made. As you can see, all the invoices and estimates. We can also make tasks as well. If there's any, it will show up in here. Lastly, if you want to add a contact by like manually one by one, right? Not just using a book, we can do that too. If you want to add contacts one by one, we can hit this plus button by add contact. After clicking that, you're gonna be putting the first name and last name of the contact, either email address, phone address, and their contact type, right? Is it gonna be a lead or a customer? And after everything is finished, we can click on hit save. And after clicking it, that specific contact you just put here will update your dashboard under the contact tab. All right, this sums up the overview of the contacts under the CRM system. Thank you for listening.